Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to do Google My Business optimization. So I have a question for you. When was the last time you searched for a business on Google? Whether it's a local coffee shop, a law firm, or even a remote digital agency, chances are you clicked on a Google business profile before even visiting the website. In this time, having a well optimized Google business profile isn't optional, it's essential. People are checking your reviews, photos, operating hours, contact info, and yes, even your videos. Today, I'll walk you through a powerful checklist to fully optimize your profile so that it doesn't just show up, it stands out. So there are numerous things that I'll discuss through which you can optimize your profile. But first, you just have to simply start your journey on Google My Business. Now, what you have to do is that you have to start with your business name and category. Business name is not just that you write your name. Let's say if you own a driving school, you write something like floral driving school or something like this. You have to also explain its category. If you own a bakery, just don't write its name. For example, chocolate, right? Chocolate, the best bakery, something like that. So if someone searches on the best bakery, your names appear there. And also choose the right category for your product or your business. If you have a physical or a retail store, then you should add your location. But in case you run online, you don't have to choose a location, but you can choose location for which areas you operate, like which country or which city. And if you also the services, then you have to go with a location. And after that, you have to add your address. If you own a physical or a retail store, make sure you add it correct, because if you do anything wrong, the people may visit somewhere else. So you have to make sure you add the address correctly so people could visit your store or your location. So whatever your address is, just simply add through this pattern that is written up there. Like choose a country, your area, sector, your city, and also your postal code. And once you're done, click on next. After that, it will identify some of the business related to your name. So if any one of these is related to you, you can choose it, otherwise you can skip this option. And after that, it says, do you provide deliveries or home office visits? If so, then just simply select as per it. And here you have to simply choose which areas you work in. So let's say you work in a city, you have to add different areas of that city where you offer your services or you work. If you cover the whole city, then just simply add all the places from this city. Like here I'm doing, you can see I'm searching different areas and they're appearing, I'm selecting it. So whenever someone searches from these areas or search with these areas, like they type the best place in this area, so your business comes at first. So you have to add maximum places as possible. Make sure to check out all the locations available in this page. So once you add all of them, then it will be really easy for all the customers to just simply get through you. And after that, you have to add your phone number and your website. Both of these things are very much important because it increases your loyalty. It shows that you are a real person, and people can also go to your website and can see how you operate and all about you. So both of these things are very much crucial, so you may add them, both the phone number and your website, and then simply go to the next page. And after that, you have to just simply add the working hour, your business hours. First, you have to select which days you operate and also the hours. Hours are very important. If you add them and someone searches within these hours, your business will come at first in their searches. So it is super important that you should add all of these things. Now, here comes the most important thing, which is the description. In the description, you have to make sure that you add all of your keywords. Whatever the keywords are related to your business, make sure you add all of them in a description, because it will help you in the SEO. So make sure you add your description really well and include all the related keywords. Whatever the words are related to your business, your niche, just simply add it and make sure you add as much as possible. Once you're done with the description, then here comes the part where you have to add the photos and videos. Also, one thing that you have to keep updating your videos and photos on weekly basis. If you keep adding new videos and images, then people will relate more to it. They will have more trust on your business, and it also shows that there's some authentic person or business behind it. So keep adding more photos and videos every week, and after that it will give you some of the free credit, so you may avail it now or maybe later for advertisement. And once you're done, now your profile has been created. Now one more thing that you have to work on for the optimization, which is that you must get some good reviews from your customers. They should not only be some basic reviews, they should show that your business in good thing, or they just simply type something like the best place for this, the best place for this. For example, if you're running a business like a food business, then it will be like the best food in that specific area, the best restaurant for Chinese in this specific area. This will help you in the SEO. So that's how you can optimize your business on my Google business. There are some basic things that if you work onto it, your optimization will be really great. So I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. And thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.